Hello, everyone. My name is Mia Gutzel. I'm an instructional technology specialist at Bensonville School District 2, and today I'm going to show you a neat little tool called Unhook, which is a Google Chrome extension. My colleague Shannon Sorrell actually shared this extension with me, and I've been using it ever since whenever I want to play videos for my students in my classroom or for other presentations. So, on the left hand side of the screen, you can see what YouTube typically looks like. You've got, the shorts, the recommendations, and depending on the video, there might even be a comments section. Unhook can eliminate all of that once it's installed. So, Unhook is this extension up here with the red play button in the center of it. And when I click on it, it gives me a variety of options of what I want to appear on my screen when playing a YouTube video. So, for example, if this video is from a playlist that I actually want to see, I can just click this slider and it will show me a playlist if the video is from one. Otherwise, I have chosen personally to just turn off everything, especially disabling autoplay when it comes to using modern YouTube. And it makes it much easier to show videos to anyone I wish to show them to without any distractions. I hope that you find this extension to be helpful, and I hope to help you grow in your knowledge of technology soon.